Hey, have you heard of logical volume management in CentOS 9?
Yes, I have. It's a powerful tool for disk space management.
Definitely. Did you know that LVM provides dynamic resizing of file systems?
Yes, and it also offers robust data protection in case of disk failures.
That's impressive. What are the prerequisites for setting up LVM in CentOS 9?
Your server needs to have RHEL9 with LVM installation, specific IP, and the required number of disks.
How do you create a new volume group in LVM?
Add additional disks and use commands like fdiskl to list disk partitions. Then, run create to set up a new volume group.
What are the steps to create logical volumes within the volume group?
Use create with either PE size or GB size, ensuring flexible storage allocation.
How do you format logical volumes with LVM?
Format logical volumes with mkfs.ext4 and mount them temporarily to /mnt. Confirm your mount points with DFH.
How do you ensure permanent mounting of logical volumes?
For permanent mounts, edit /etc/stab with the correct entries. Ensure a smooth transition by running mount A.
That's great information. I can't wait to try it out.
You'll love it. LVM in CentOS 9 offers unparalleled flexibility and resilience in disk space management.